The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Boone County and North Central Arkansas, Central Marion County and North Central Arkansas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 2 miles east of Pyatt, or 7 miles west of Yellville, and moving east at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Yellville, Pyatt, Flipping, Dodge City, Crawford, Zinc, Summit, Snow, Rhea Valley, Ralph, Everton, EAS, Turkey, Standing Rock, Powell, Pleasant Ridge, Lee Mountain, Gourd Point. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly,